Hello, Ielts winners. In this presentation, we are going to talk about one particular type of essay written in Ielts. It is called as advantage disadvantage essay or discussion essay. Typically, in such essays, you are supposed to discuss about both sides of the given topic and then give your own opinion. The best way to deal with such types of essays is to first write an introduction, and there is a standard way to write introduction which we have discussed in other essays. Important is what should be your first paragraph and what should be your second paragraph. First, talk about the opposite view. Opposite view means the view which you do not support. Then in the next paragraph, talk about your view and then write the conclusion. Why this structure? Because in this case, as you can see, your view and conclusion comes together. So there is a uniformity of argument and uniformity of logic that we follow, right? First we say what others think about the given subject, then what you think, and then what is the conclusion. So conclusion is basically in sync with your own view. That is why you talk about your view later. Let's quickly see an example. So here the topic is many parents encourage young people to leave home when they become older, while others think they should stay at home with the family. So should children leave home when they acquire a certain age, or should children leave home? Discuss both views and give your opinion. So this is the topic. Of course, you're supposed to plan your answer before you write. This is very, very important. If you fail to plan, you actually plan to fail. So planning is super important. Do not straight away jump into writing the essay. First make a rough draft, right? Why they ask to leave home? So these are the reasons, so whatever comes in your mind, you can write here 2, 3 reasons why children want to leave home, and what is the advantage of staying with the family, and what exactly do you want to say. So this thing is already decided in the planning stage. Okay, now let us see how this essay is drafted. This is the introduction. I would like you to just quickly read this essay. This is around 264 words and a nicely drafted essay with regard to this particular topic. I'll just make a little adjustment so that the whole essay is visible on one page. So now it is visible. Whatever I have highlighted here are some keywords, and this is the structure that we have followed. First, I have written an introduction, which is like, if you look at the highlighted keywords, let me just take the highlighted keywords first. Now, these are some phrases which can use in any essay. These are like some templates. There are contrasting views about, so whatever is the topic. Then this essay will discuss both viewpoints and argue in favor of. So like this, you at the beginning itself, you are very clear what you want to say. Then this is the first paragraph here. You're talking about the other point of view, what people say. So some parents think that they're grown. Here we are giving reasons to support living with parents. The conclusion of this essay is that the children should leave home. That is why the other point of view is dealt with in this paragraph. So here we talk about the first advantage, the second reason, the first reason, such kind of structure. So there is a cohesive structure that we follow. Some reasons, so that's why it's a second reason. So it goes, and a person who reads it will be able to understand. And then this is the second paragraph which talks about what are the advantages of leaving home. Okay, and you can read it. It's written in simple format. Just that, I mean, the point which I want to emphasize is why this paragraph first and why this paragraph next, and probably I have established this point and you have understood it. The point is that now when you have said that children should leave home, and you have written a little bigger paragraph here, it becomes very clear that this is the point you support. And in the conclusion also, we are saying the same thing, right? So in the conclusion, we are stating that while both options have their own set of merits and demerits, I tend to support the view that young adults should leave their parents' home to fully bloom as responsible adults, ready to face life's challenges and learn the art of living independently. Right? So one big sentence in the conclusion, but then it is very clearly inclined towards leaving home. So to reiterate, whenever you want to write an essay regarding advantage, disadvantage, and give your opinion, actually you are supposed to do three tasks. The first task is discuss both views. So view one and view two. So that's two tasks. You are also supposed to talk about the other point of view and your own point of view. And then you are supposed to give your opinion. So these are the three tasks that you are supposed to do. Plan it well, and then when you write it, talk about the other side of the argument first, the one which you are not supporting. Then talk about what you want to support, and then write conclusion, so that these two paragraphs, the second last and the last paragraph, which is conclusion, are in sync with each other. Hope this was useful to you. All the best to you. Thank you so much.